For its fifth generation, Mini is taking a giant leap into the digital era and the brand's all-electric future. Celebrating its rich heritage yet iconic design, the new Mini Cooper offers a significant step forward in technology while focusing on a driver-centric interior cabin. With its electric drive and purist design, the new Mini Cooper perfectly fits an urban lifestyle. In the fifth generation of the Mini Cooper, we combine the traditional Mini DNA with innovative, future-oriented technology while enabling locally emission-free driving fun that is typical of Mini, says Stefanie Wurst, head of Mini. Inspired by our history, we have developed our new design language, defining our DNA. We call it charismatic simplicity. The idea behind it is a design that gives each new Mini model a strong, individual character. It is characterized by a clear, reduced design language that is intuitively focused on the essentials of the brand, says Oliver Halmer, head of Mini Design. Available in 2 output levels, E and SE, and 3 exceptionally well-specified trim levels in the UK. Classic, Exclusive and Sport, the new Mini Cooper Electric is priced from £30,000 OTR, with first customer deliveries taking place in spring 2024. The all-electric Mini Cooper is available in 3 different trims: Classic, Exclusive and Sport. The Classic trim presents a reduced overall appearance while highlighting key parts, such as the logo in new colour vibrant silver. A range of 4 external paint finishes, including all-new Sunnyside Yellow, 1 contrasting roof colour and 2 wheel options give customers maximum flexibility. The exclusive trim adds additional exterior design elements, such as the option for a multi-tone roof with a combination of 3 different colours, and the front grille is offered in vibrant silver. Finally, the Sport trim offers a distinctive front and rear design using high-gloss black as the frame for the front grille and logo colour. Combined with a contrasting chili red roof and red-black bonnet stripes, which are available optionally, there is no doubt the Sport trim has been inspired by its motorsport history. 3 newly designed trims of Classic, Exclusive and Sport allow customers the ultimate choice in interior personalisation. In Classic trim, Mini uses a modern 2D knitted textile in the interior of a production vehicle for the first time. Black sport seats in a high-quality synthetic leather are offered with a distinctly patterned multi-tone textile to match a coloured textile band on the dashboard, while on the dashboard and door handles, a 2-tone black knitted material is offered. Also available within this trim is a grey and black material featuring perforated houndstooth pattern, while the side contrasts in blue textile. The exclusive trim features a 2-tone houndstooth pattern on the knitted textile instrument panel and is available in 2 colours with traditional accent stitching and perforated Vession sport seats. Customers choosing the exclusive trim can also take the all-new Spraytech roof, which features a blending of 3 different colours. The Sport trim offers a performance-focused interpretation of the new materials, combining multicoloured knitted textile and black synthetic leather with red stitching. A distinct front and rear design with the vehicle grille and logo in high-gloss black is offered as standard, while a contrasting chili red roof and JCW-specific red or black bonnet stripes can be added optionally. The world's first OLED display revolutionizes the user experience. The central OLED display sets a new benchmark of automotive design and is the defining feature of the interior. With a diameter of 240 mm and Mini Operating System 9, all vehicle functions can be operated with either touch or voice control. At the same time, the display has been moved closer to the driver for easy reach. The upper half of the screen displays vehicle-related information such as speed and battery status. It can be tapped to display it on a full screen, while the lower area houses navigation, media, phone, and climate. In the home menu, other widgets are displayed in thumbnail view to the left and right of the current menu function and can be brought up and selected by swiping horizontally to the center. All other functions can be accessed via the menu, with the display returning to the default setting using the Home button. At the center of the screen is the Start menu, where personalized content can be selected and launched by swiping to the side. In the lower section of the screen is the fixed status bar containing the menu items, navigation, media, telephone, all apps and, depending on the situation, home, which can be selected directly. The new Mini Cooper Electric, with a completely new powertrain, is available in E and SE. The Cooper E hosts a high-voltage battery with a 7 kilowatt-hour capacity, which provides up to 190 miles of electric range, according to the WLTP test cycle. A 135 kilowatt or 184 bhp electric motor generates a torque of 290 newton meters and accelerates the vehicle from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. With an output of 160 kW 218 HP, the Cooper SE sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds and has a maximum torque of 330 nanometers. Thanks to a battery capacity of 54.2 kilowatt hours, the calculated range increases to a maximum of 250 miles. The various Mini experience modes offer further individual settings. For example, in go-kart mode, customers can configure steering response and intervention limits of traction control to ensure more driving fun. By contrast, Green mode optimizes the drivetrain's efficiency, focusing on guaranteeing maximum range thanks to increased recuperation management. These immersive driving experiences are enhanced by new acoustic worlds created by the digital Mini sounds. This includes new driving sounds in the interior, an unmistakable Mini brand sound as a mark of identification, jingles for the new Mini experience modes, and 30 new sound signals for information and warning functions. Simplified and efficient battery charging. The Mini Cooper can be charged via 3 ways: 11 kilowatts AC charging, 75 kilowatts DC charging, and 95 kilowatts DC charging, meaning at a fast charging station, the battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. By using the Mini navigation, the vehicle will ensure the high-voltage battery reaches the ideal temperature for efficient charging in advance, thus reducing charging time. Customers can also optimize charging for their schedule, setting charging start times, active charging windows, and target battery capacity by departure time. Finally, drivers can instruct that the interior cabin is air-conditioned by a set departure time. The Mini app provides a convenient overview of the vehicle status and charging process, including current battery status, charging-optimized route plan, and charging history. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews on YouTube.